you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you fucking with me and say that you like a queen. Sitting right in them jeans, saw the look in the side.
Backwoods, so it's all good. Let's see you make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real woman keep boss up. Now I'm bad, I can call her. Oh yeah, sex so good, might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
Hey guys, it's your girl, Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So in today's video, it is day 1 of 12 days with Queen Cierra. So I was thinking about doing Vlogmas this year. You know, it's Vlogmas, and everybody is vlogging, and then they will upload a video the next day. And for me to vlog, it wouldn't work out. So I'm not that. I don't think my life is that entertaining for me to be vlogging every day. Y'all probably would have of it. And doing this vlogging in school, no. So it didn't work out in my face. So I'm like, I want to participate in vlogging some type of way. So I'm going to be uploading from December 1st all the way until December 12th. So you're going to get 12 videos of me back to back to back to back to back, and all of them will be different videos. And I thought it was the perfect time. It's the perfect time of the year to try this series out, because some of you guys are Christmas shopping, some of you guys want to treat yourself to a new unit, and you don't want to break the bank by treating yourself to a new unit. So I'm like, rocking these synthetic wigs, and they've been looking mad good. Like, them wigs was blending into the scalp. It was giving me growing out of my scalp vibes, and I'm all for it. So I'm like, this is the perfect time of year to try these wigs out, see what the hype about these wigs. Are these girls like really capping, or are they getting paid to say these things? This is my first ever synthetic wig, so let's try it on camera. So during this 12 days with Queen, y'all be seeing a lot of videos. Some videos are Christmas themed, some are not. So yeah, hope you guys love this videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share it with a friend, a family member. Help me get to my goal by the end of this year, 1,000 subscribers. And let's get on in today's video. So this wig will be linked in the description box below. I seen a couple videos, so I didn't go into this blindly. I like to do my little research, and everybody loves this collection. So this is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig. What lace? Hairline illusion lace wig, 100% premium fiber. So it's an HD lace. Keep them guessing. And this is a T2/copper, and it's a natural hairline, so it looks like it's already pre-plucked. It's safe up to 400 degrees. This is some palm hair, and it's a 13x6. So the name is called Darlene. So that's what the name is called, Darlene. With synthetic wigs, I've been watching a couple of like videos and stuff, and synthetic wigs, they give their wigs names. So I don't know. It's different. I'm like, okay. So a lot of people love this. Oh, and the brand is called Sensational. It's a Sensational. The brand is called Sensational. Sorry, the brand is called Sensational, and the line is called Cloud9 Swiss Lace Wig. What lace? 100% premium fiber. So yeah, we're gonna take this out. Yeah, so it comes with a hairnet. Keep all the luscious curls in. This is my first time, so guys. So we already have first time trying this wig, any synthetic wig. So yeah. So we already have hair sideways. I mean, it's natural, the curl. Like, this is not stiff whatsoever. Not stiff. So it comes with this hard piece to keep the wig intact, like the shape intact. And let me show you this hairline. So I'm like low-key scared because I don't have a big head. I don't have a 25-inch circumference, but I have a 22-inch circumference head. So hopefully this fits. So let's show you the hairline. Oh yeah, it's plucked. It's plucked. Hopefully the camera will pick on it and not my beautiful face. But yeah, y'all see that? So it's it already looks small. Like, I'm not gonna, that's the one thing I like about human hair, like it's more, the wig cap is more customizable. So I'm gonna just take it off the little elastic band. I'm gonna show you in a second. You can adjust this wig size to be snugger or tighter. So I remember when I was reading this, I think, don't quote me, I will put it on the screen if I'm wrong, I think it said it could fit a 22-inch circumference head. Cause I ordered so many wigs, I forgot which one. So yeah, it's very breathable on the inside. It has like this little weft construction, so it's very breathable. And it has this a comb in the back, two more combs up here. But I just use the comb in the back sometimes. So let's put this on. Let's see what Darlene, I forgot what that is. Alright, so let's see what she's giving us.
Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world. Stop playing, you know you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you're fucking with me and say that you like the way. Sitting right in them jeans, I saw the look in his eye and I told him to follow me. He was cool with arrogance, cool as the president. Them feds come knocking, he don't know nada, just like an immigrant. He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no like a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again. More than a crush, this shit right here is different.
So I decided to go with a middle part, and to flatten out that middle part, I just took this olive oil Hold and Shine wrap / set mousse, and I used a hard brush to try to flatten it out. And you see, I couldn't get it as flat as possible, so I took my hot comb. And I was doing like 400 degrees, and I'm taking that to flatten it out to see how flat can I get this unit.
He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no like a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again. More than a crush, this shit right here is different. I feel away when I see him.
So now I'm going to be making my baby hairs. I'm just carving out my crown to make these baby hairs. And I'll be using an eyebrow razor to cut my baby hairs. I did not make baby hairs all around the brim of my head. I only just made it in the front area where you will see them, the crown. And then I'm going to be using Kiss and Sweetie's collaboration edge control to lay my edges. I could have just used a foam mousse, but since I had makeup on and I didn't want it to be dripping, I knew that the edge control wouldn't move. Once I placed it on my edges, it wouldn't move. So that's why I decided to go in with the edge control instead of the mousse. That's what I usually use is mousse. But because I had makeup on already, I didn't want to mess up my makeup with my brows. So I just went in with edge control.
Stop playing, you know you wonder about it. Close your eyes and felt yourself, now picture me around you. Boy, you know you fucking with me and say that you like the way. Sitting right in them jeans, I saw the look in his eye and I told him to follow me. He was cool with arrogance, cool as the president. Them feds come knocking, he don't know nada, just like an immigrant. He know he can get it and he stay with a couple bitches. All that gossip I'm hearing said he looking no like a misfit. You be Martin, I be Gina, cause tonight I'm off this lane, bruh. We grown enough to get it poppin'. Shawty, take it there. Got me feeling 18 again. More than a crush, this shit right here is different. I feel a way when I see him, a tingling in between me. He on me tough when he pull up, sit on his face and I pull up. Looking at me, but it's you. This ain't high school. Me and my crew, we can slide through. Give it to you whenever you want. Whip it whenever you want. Baby, it's yours. Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Baby, it's your world, ain't it? Anywhere you wanna go. Oh no. Yeah. I know you want it, I can see you trying. Just keep on pushing, I'ma let you slide in. Just close your eyes and explore me, baby. I'm ready, come and get you some, get you some. Be on that bullshit, yeah, yeah. Bullshit, yeah, yeah.
Conclusion. So yeah, y'all, I am obsessed with this hair. It looks so good. Like, and it took me isn't it take me that long? Like, oh my god, now my ear portion did not stay, but this side, like, look at that. My crown looks so freaking good, y'all. Like, look at that. So freaking good. Like, my crown looks so freaking good. And if it's the middle part, no one's gonna see your ear caps anyway. So it all worked out. It looks so good. It matches my sweater. Let me see the sweater. I look so good. Like, yo, it looks so good. So this is the Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss lace wig, 100% premium fiber, and it's the Delena. I think it's pronounced Delena. And I look so freaking good. Now, let me say this. I have never had my hair this short. Never had my hair this freaking short before. But this length look really good on me. I am sold on this wig. Okay? Like, Sensational. You did your thing. You did your thing. Oh, that is it. This is the end of day 1 of 12 days with your girl, Queen Cierra. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps me out so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Become one of my babes. Help me get to my goal by the end of this year to get 1,000 subscribers. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. Everything that I use in today's video will be listed and linked in the description box below. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in day 2 with the Queen. I love you.